Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Yuen right now, and for the last video for the day, short Little West, which is TML line and New Territories West. So here we go. Yuen Long to Siu Hong. Here we go. On a C train. 下一站朗屏，下一站朗屏。Next station, 朗屏。Long pink spot right here, perfect. 请不要靠近车门. Please stand back from the train doors. This is D417, D418 C train. Now you guys know that the platform doors does not match the speed of the train doors. Later on when I take back out, I'm probably going to take the exact same C train because I'll get off at Siu Hong, wait for it to go to Tuen and then come back over, so. Next is Tinshui. Remember last time when we took number 53 on the bus channel? That was very fun. We passed through, I think, just here. Yeah, that's it for this week's filming. I don't know whether Thursday I will film anything, but yeah. I might film again on Thursday, MTR, just to fill in more stuff this week, maybe 2 times, because Tuesday and Wednesday, which is tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, is yeah, McDonald's for me again, so. 下一站天水围，乘客可以换乘轻铁。Next station, Tinshui, interchange station for light rail. And here we are at Tinshui. There are some of the estates down there, and can we see the light rail track? And I saw the light rail track right there. Boom! Really like the word boom. You know, it's B-O-O-M, boom, but with T-H, boom. B-O-M-T-H, boom. Tinshui. More people should get on here because of Tinshui Circular that connects Wetland Park with Tinshui Station, so that's fine. Do stand back from train doors. This section of Siu Hong is a little bit longer. going to turn backwards? I actually don't know. Let's just do it this way. I don't want to do anything stupid, so. We get off next station still on? What the hell happened to the dropping speed? Why is it so slow? 下一站兆康，乘客可以轉乘輕鐵。下一站兆康，乘客可以換乘輕鐵。Next station, Silhong, interchange station for the light rail. Calling Chris on my Samsung. Hi. 喺邊啊？聽唔到啊！彩虹啊！哇，咁樣極難搞啊！彩虹。你盡力啦！我唔係返工啊，跟住冇嘢，冇嘢啊，係要買餸咯。另一款嘅 work。係。Chris, and then he's now at Choi Hung, so that's why it's gonna be impossible for him to come over. But he says he's coming over. I was like, what the hell, man? Just stay where you're at and ignore that. Any light rail? I won't be taking light rail, but there's a light rail down there. Because if I get out here, it costs me $25. So actually, I don't think it's 25 because I get on a Namchong, so maybe 20. But I don't want to pay $20. Here's Silhong. We're going to get out here. Send the train out afterwards. Still home and send the train out. No wait for the same C train to get back out. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for more stuff. Boss channel, gaming channel, and Instagram. Click on these videos up top. And I'll see you guys on another day. Peace!